Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli, and today we are going to do a little tutorial only on the map and the functions of the map and the navigation system. So we'll start with the pinch and zoom, extraordinarily responsive. You can also twist it to edit any side you want. All right, so it's really very nice. Now let's take a look at the buttons here. This top button right here has to do with, let me just move the camera, here it is. It has to do with the directions. When you're driving around, you can press it any direction and it will show you just north, or if you want to go through directions, you can keep pressing it and it will go to actual direction, but usually you like to do it on north. This one obviously is zoom in, zoom out. Very responsive, very good. Right here, this little column here, it's really good. This globe over here will switch it from hybrid to map. I like hybrid. I like to see landscape. See that? This little traffic light here in the middle will give you traffic, so to speak. So you see those, let me show you here. See those red and orange lines? The red and orange lines show you that there is traffic. However, so hold on, before the however, I'm going to turn it off so now it doesn't show you traffic. I usually keep it on. Here's the however. The however is that it's not accurate. Okay, I bet you 20 cents that there is no big traffic here. So many times, not all the times, but many times, this was not accurate. Okay, when I go in the highway, it's usually better. But sometimes in small road, this is just, I don't know what the hell they come out with this. It's just not correct. The bottom, extraordinarily useful. This is probably the best part of this navigation system in this, your nearby superchargers. Okay, you can, it gives you the locations and it marks them with ABCs, which is really good. And you can go down the line all the way to give you a 30 miles radius to your nearest charger, and also regular chargers, Tesla chargers, destination. This one I know, this one I go all the time. So basically, let's say you want to go to this supercharger in Edison, New Jersey, which is 23 miles away. You can press on it and it will give you the navigation. See that? That's really, that is fantastic, I got to say. Now, in terms of the navigation itself, all is good and well. You can put your destination. That's fine, but it's not as nearly as good as Waze. It will not recognize road closures. It will not give you the best routes. Just give you a straight line, basically. So I always use Waze as a backup. And if they agree, I just go with this because it's easier to look at. All right, now let's say you plan a long trip. So here is St. Petersburg, Florida, which is over 1,100 miles away from my house. This is where we're going to go in the winter. So you input the address and it will give you the actual route, where to stop. Now, since the car has only 92 miles of charge left, because I'm just charging it, so it tells me to go to Cranberry, New Jersey to start the first charge, which obviously I'm going to do. So let's say that this car was fully charged. My destination will be, actually my first destination will be here in Maryland, in the National Harbor in Maryland. And then it gives you the time that you have to wait, 40 minutes and 50 minutes and all that, all the way to your destination. So if this car was fully charged, I will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stops from here to Florida. And once you press navigate, then it will basically, if you say begin a trip, it will start taking you to where you are and basically will help you along the way. All right, so this is very good. I absolutely love it. You see that? See, it's really great. So that's that. So this is the navigation system screen. Now I'm not going to focus on the left side. We did that in a different video. But so you know, beside this button, you have the Bluetooth, you have the Wi-Fi, you have the home link, which opens and closes the garage. It will open it automatically once you approach. and it has the lock and lock time, temperature, and the Tesla logo with your VIN number and everything. Okay, that's the screen. Any questions, any comments, please let me know. Thank you for watching, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Help me change the world one electric car at a time, and support this awesome channel by becoming a patron. All right, guys, I'll see you tomorrow.